Hi, so today we're going to show some examples of flying with the Yunecc goggles. Flying the Mavic Mini as FPV. These goggles should work with any drone that you have an app on your iPhone. So all you have to do is set up the mirroring as seen in the first video and connect the goggles up, turn the goggles on. Again, it should work with any drone. It doesn't have to be a DJI drone. Any drone where you have an app on your iPhone or your Android device. Here's Wilson, he's flying the Mini as an FPV drone. What do you think of it, Wilson?
Pretty cool. Pretty cool.
Is there much delay?
Nah, the delay's great.
Close-up of the Yunecc goggles. Plugged into the DJI Mini controller. It's pretty windy out. It's still controlling pretty good though, right?
Oh yeah, it controls great. The strong wind reading just kind of goes away. I'm just doing kind of a slow, like,
descent. This is using the Yunecc goggles with the DJI Mavic Mini. So there you have it. We've been using the Yunecc goggles to fly the Mavic Mini as an FPV drone. The goggles should work with any drone that is using an app on an iPhone or Android device. Go ahead and email Infinity Drones on eBay and he can get you set up. And thanks for watching.